Hi guys, welcome back to new XT tutorial. So today we are going to learn how to create futuristic 3D button animation inside Adobe XD. So let's get started with the tutorial. We are choosing 1920 to 1080 artboard. And we will change the background color for artboard black and bluish radial background. Now we need to create a rectangle. We change its size to 200 into 150 pixels and give it a border radius of 10 pixels with the border white. Now we will change its fill color to this background for now, and also we need to add shadow to this. X0, Y0 and the blur of 20 pixels, and the color will be this with value of 40%. Change the blending mode to color dodge. We need to change its name. Let's call it center dash PG for background and duplicate it 3 times. Change the first one with center dash BG dash blur. For now we will make them invisible. For the center BG we need to add our logos. For center we are going to place this logo. Remove the responsive size and make it smaller and fit within the center and make it 50 pixels in height will be great. And we will change its color to this bluish color for now. Now we need to add our text. Let's call it future. I am using the railway bold font. Make sure it's center with the rectangle and around 5 pixels below. Select all of this and make it a component, and let's call it center. And before that we need to go to text, and also we need to add the same shadow 0 0 20 pixels with the value of this of 40. Go to its hover state. In the hover state we need to go to this center background blur. Select background color with the amount of 20, brightness 15 and opacity will be 0. For the object blur we will go change it to object blur and the value of 5 will remain as it is. And we are gonna make sure for the background blur we are going to change its value to white. Solid color of white. We are going to change this also to solid color white. That's perfect. Let's check it. In the default it's like this. That's great. Now we need to duplicate it 4 times, but as you can see these 3 have this different icon than the main, so these are all the child of this main component. Select this one, ungroup the component and make it a component again and call it right. Move it towards the right, and the difference between center and the right will be around 15 pixels. And we need to change Ctrl Shift G and we press Ctrl K to make this component. This is our right dash 2. Let's move it a little bit here, also 15 pixels. For the center we are going to press Ctrl Shift G again and Ctrl K to make it its own component. This is our left side. Ctrl Shift G and Ctrl K again, and this is our left dash 2. For now, move it here, and this is our left side 15. Select this one, change it to 15. Let's call it, let's change this icon, remove this icon, go to future, and we need to duplicate the center again, and we will place our logo in this. This is our left -2. Here, remove the responsive size, make it around 50. That's great. Change its name to left icon, put it above this, and make its color to this. Let's go and add the same hover state to all of these. In hover state, go to left -2, center background. We go to our hover state. We need to copy the center value and paste the same values into our left side. Paste appearance. Let's see. It's great. Copy the object pillar too and paste it right there. Paste appearance. See, that's perfect. Add all your icons. I will let you to do this. Create the next artboard. Now we need to select all of these and change their X to 20 pixels. Create the third artboard. Change this to hover state. So now we need to change its values in the degree. Here we need to give y-axis to 41 degree, x-axis to 5, and z-index to -20. Making it small, we need to go to our first artboard, remove the responsive size, select this again and make it small. Select this one, change its value to 5 degree, y value to 66, and z to -40. Make it here, make it small, much smaller to give the depth. Put it right here. That's great. Change the opacity back to 0. For the left side, same 5, and give the minus values in y-axis. -41, same -20, and make it smaller. Put it behind our center. Select our left -2, x-axis 5 pixels, y-axis -66 pixels, and z-index will be -40. Put it right here and make it small. That's perfect, and make it behind. Select both, opacity back to 0. Select this one, go to its hover state. Let's prototype it. Go to the second artboard. With the auto animate, easing will be none and the duration will be 1 second. For second artboard, we will use the time trigger. Time 0 seconds auto animate, and it will around 0.8. Let's try for 8. And when we click on this artboard again, this artboard will take us to back our first artboard with 0.4, and trigger will be tap. Make it overflow. Now let's play. I hope you like this video. If you like, give a big thumbs up and comment what you want to learn next in Adobe XD, and I will make the next video for you.